Hi everyone, and welcome to this quick primer on transitioning from BakPak 2.0 to BakPak 3.0. Today I'm going to cover how to get to your profiles, how to take a look at your device maps, see all the different views for any given device, as well as some basic features like checking your firmware, checking if your configuration has been backed up, getting access through the device portal, and how to manage alerts. So for starters, we're going to log in the same way we ever did from mybakpak.com with your username and password. And you'll be brought to the all-new dashboard. So I'm going to click on the Profiles page, where you can see that all of your profiles are still right here, easy to get to. Now I'm going to dive a little deeper into one of these profiles, and this will bring you to your device view. In the device view, you're able to take a quick look at every device on your network, as well as some nice features like whether or not the configuration has been backed up, or if your firmware is up to date. By clicking the little firmware button right here, you can take a quick look and see if there's a new firmware version. And if I click this button, it would automatically update my firmware. If I click this little arrow, I'm brought to the network map view. Now, if you already had a network map from BakPak 2.0, there's nothing you have to do here. It'll automatically transition over. However, one of the cool features in BakPak 3.0 is that if you don't already have a network map, you can click this button right here, and BakPak will auto map your network for you, including all the connections, and give you a really nice view of just all the things on your network. If I click this little arrow again, it takes us to another view where you're able to see just an overview of everything on the network, including all of your devices, IP addresses, MAC addresses, serial numbers, and firmware versions. So let's go back to the main device view. And if I scroll down, we can take a look at a P8. So because this is a PDU, you can see that all on this same page, you're able to get a look at pretty much all the relevant information, including what ports are on and off, and if I hover over one of them, you can see that I have the option to turn off, power cycle, rename, or map devices to any port on this PDU. If I scroll down just a little bit here, you can see I have the options for reboot device, which is self-explanatory, device portal, which will give me a portal directly into the device's GUI. This can be used for any device on your network that has a user interface, or lava tunnel, which will do effectively the same thing, but it'll create a secure portal for me to access my devices through. Now if I go back to the dashboard, we're going to go over how to set up alerts. So setting up alerts in BakPak is fairly simple. If I go into the alert management button there, click this little plus, and I'm able to set up all of the information required for alerts, including here where you would put a phone number to get SMS alerts, your email address to get email alerts, and this little toggle that manages whether alerts are on or off for the iOS or Android application. You can change some settings here, like how often the offline message will be repeated, IoT or wireless settings. So for devices like a laptop, for instance, where you may not want it to alert you if you shut down your laptop, you can tell it how long this device has to be offline for before it lets you know. And down here, you're able to select various devices on the network to send you alerts for. Click the Create button, and it'll create a whole new alert scheme that it'll be based on all of your settings. And that's pretty much all you need to get set up on BakPak 3.0. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and thank you for listening.